Yeah, I can show you. Here's some diagnostic. These codes are always coming up on my car for right now. Clear them. But it's really cool. Come over here to the dashboards, click it, and you have a few different pages here. You got this one, this one, this one here I did just so you can see that you can add to it or remove gauges. Shows your timing, your throttle position.
Bottom line, just go buy a real scan tool. You can feel it. It's as if it's gonna come apart in your hand. It's that light, cheap, made in China trash like all the other stuff. There's no need in spending extra to get this one. I bought it because I thought the picture looks good. But the actual quality, you can feel it rattling around on the inside. Buy a real scan tool, man.